Namaste. Today, I am very happy to announce that after many years and many requests by my friends, family, and other followers, and people I meet, that Ayushji, please start, sharing about well-being more deeply with us. So hereby, I am taking the gist of my own life journey of all these years and coming together with a transformative journey of approximately 3 weeks with around 14 to 16 sessions where we'll explore, harmony and holistic harmony in ourself, in our relationships, and living a successful life. So, in this workshop, or rather, I'll call it a journey, we will discover the immediate relief to our problems. Second, we will discover the direction for our further journey towards harmony and realizing our true nature. And third, we will also get some very powerful foundational tools for this journey. For example, the correct breathing, correct posture, and being aware and awakened all the time, and as well using our natural acceptance, intuition, or inner voice as our guiding force in life, and many more things that will come. Broadly, the flow that we will have, that we will cover in this whole journey, will be: first session will be about my concerns and questions, because this will lay the foundation. Everyone will come with their own problems which they hope to solve from attending these sessions. Okay, so you will have a clear benefit of having your problems defined, and your solutions will flow from there. This will be the goal of our workshops, that all participants, their problems must be solved. Okay, so first we start with addressing our concerns, and this can be done anonymously. So we can all as a cohort share our problems together. Okay. Second is, a foundational tool introduction, which will help us throughout this journey and in our life, is correct breathing. Okay. Then followed by that, we will have a section of harmony in self. It has 4 parts. The first part is what is purpose of my life, which drives me every moment. Second is what are the definitive universal needs of all human beings to fulfill the purpose of life. Okay. Then the third is hosh mein jeena, or awakened living. This is the foundational tool that will be introduced to you. Tool number 2 after breathing is to live awakened every moment, not be sleepwalking or sleep dreaming. Okay. And the fourth one is discovering who I am, exploring myself, my mind, self and mind. Then exploring God, what is God, relationship with God, and also interconnectedness of everything. And listen, this is not just intellectual exercises. Here we are going to dive deep within ourselves, and there will be practices to experience this yourself. Okay. Then the next is harmony in relationships. After harmony in self, we move forward to harmony in relationships. Because once you have more harmony in yourself and you prepare, you can start exercising this harmony in relationships with somebody who's willing to practice this with you, or even with somebody who is not willing to practice this with you. But at least you will understand that how can we find lasting harmony in relationships. And it will start with the 9 universal human values in relationships. Okay, like trust, respect, care, gratitude, love. Okay, and where do relationships break? Where do we lose harmony in ourselves or in a relationship? And where things go wrong and where things go right. The next part will be the after harmony in relationships, we will come to the common pitfalls in one's life journey. It will include examples like, pride is a pitfall, a rigid and a closed mindset is a pitfall. Then attachments is a pitfall. So we will discover some pitfalls that we all encounter in our journey. Identifying them and addressing them will liberate us right away. Okay. And then the last concluding part will be harmony in my family, which was covered so far. Okay. Harmony in self, my relationships in family and work was covered so far. After that will be a vision of harmony on earth and the human tradition on earth. Something that we all should aspire for as a legacy we can leave on earth after we've gone. And a tradition and an environment on earth where everybody's born to harmony and prosperity. Okay. So I welcome you to this transformative journey, and I'm sure you are going to love it. Okay. Bring your questions, bring your problems, and be ready for an amazing journey with me. And those of you who wish to join physically can join me from Radhakund near Vrindavan. It's one of the most holy places on earth, and it's filled with sweetness of love. So this will be amazing if you can be here to experience directly of, and be together in this journey. But if you cannot join me from Radhakund, you're welcome to come to our online sessions. The same will be streamed online every day, I think from 6:30 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. in India. That means even those sitting in United States can attend early in their morning. Those sitting in Europe can attend in their afternoon. So everyone can join this. I look forward to seeing you in the sessions. Namaste.